Hi everyone, it's good to be back here with all of you, and welcome to this week's lecture on crafting your TED Talk and finding your voice. In this module, we're doing more than just writing a speech. We're practicing real world skills of turning ideas into impact. You'll be watching and analyzing some TED Talks. These are amazing talks like those of Brene Brown and Shimada Adichie. You'll notice that they don't just throw out data. They tell stories. They build trust. They connect. That's what you'll be doing too. You'll draft your own 5 to 7 minute talk about something between 600 words to 1,000 words. You'll build it around a core idea, support it with evidence, and anchor it in a story that means something to you. You'll be applying everything we talked about in the English comp: thesis, structure, evidence, clarity, voice. Last week's exercise in which you narrow down your talks to something that was relevant to you. And I want you to realize something. When I'm teaching you, I'm living it myself. And I just found out earlier today that I have been selected as a speaker for the tedx of the University of Essex. My talk is built around the same principles I'm teaching you here: how to use personal truth and real evidence to challenge systems, tell stories that matter, and make people feel something. I started writing again just a few years ago after decades away from it. And now I get to stand on a red dot and speak my truth to the world. This is not just another college assignment. It's a chance for you to find your voice, your power, maybe even start something much bigger than a grade. Remember, your first draft doesn't have to be perfect. My first drafts always are less than stellar. In fact, I hope your drafts are messy. We'll revise them, you'll shape it. But for now, I just want you to speak from the heart and trust your story. As always, I'm here if you need any help. You got this. And if you have any questions, do not hesitate to email me.